Plastic Model Builders, hello, I am Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder. This is the P-61 Black Widow. It's a 1/48 scale by Revell. Skill level 5. Going to need a lot of paint for this. Decent sized kit, 1/48 scale. Got this right here. First bag has your clear plastic parts. It's molded in black. Right out of the gate, you can tell that. Does have raised panel lines if you're interested in that. I don't see too much detail. It looks like there is a little bit of detail on the engine. Got your front right here of this aircraft. These of course are going to be for the propellers and all that good stuff. And of course this, you got more wings and rudders and your propellers. The way it goes together, you can have one of them open so you can see fully inside of that. Got this, looks like it's all wings and fuselage pieces. Got your instruction booklet right here, 16 pages and 22 steps. Then of course, looking at this, I don't see too much detail on any of the pieces. It is there for the fuselage, main halves right here, because they do have a front, a right and a left tail portion of this thing. From two sides it's like not a biplane, I don't know which you would call it. I'm sure it has a name for it, bi-wing. Got your underside of this craft. Both wings right here have a little bit of detail. You can see some flaps. Some of those are recessed instead of raised, so it's a combination. Looks like we have right here, which would be an open engine compartment. If you don't want to do a flying version, you might have to modify this. There is some decent detail, which looks like it's on some wheel wells right here. As well, the other side of the cockpit. Looks like you have some details for the floor. Not bad. Some rivets, things like that. Got your instruction booklet right here, 16 pages and 22 steps. Then of course, you have your decals. Right here, United States Air Force, because that's kind of all they had back then with planes. It really didn't exist in the Navy. Looks like a fairly decent kit. If I didn't know any better, I'd say I was missing pieces. But I'm not sure. I'm sure they're all there, and if not, well, woe is me, because it looks like, I don't know, strange. I would think there'd be more for the propellers, for the engines. Maybe I'm missing something. We'll find out when we build this if they're all there or not. Just looking at it, it seems like it would be missing something, so I look forward to seeing that. So this is it. This is your Black Widow P-61. Not a Mustang, because that's a P-51. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, until next time, see ya.